Hello, this is Brian Brazil. I'm here with my brother Ed and Renan Tavara in northeastern Brazil. We plan on building an international youngsmiths training center. To do that, we will need some support. This first video is showing making a hammer drift with a striker as part of the Tools to Make Tools curriculum that all this is based on. We will be making more videos and offering what we make to help finance this endeavor.
It's Ed Brazil. We're here trying to put together the International Youngsmiths Training Center in Northeast Brazil. We intend to build 6 fully functional forging stations with all the tools at each station to do the Tools to Make Tools curriculum. We have 3 made so far. We need to build 3 more, and the idea is to train smiths from all over the world so that they can go home and share this information with others.
Hello, Renan here. We already built 3 striking anvils, 3 keyed anvils, and most of the tools that goes with it. But we intend to do a lot more, like jewelry, scrolls, coloring, and other joinery techniques. For next year, we are planning to setting up an international youngsmiths event here in the northeast of Brazil with Heroin Smith from Netherlands, Ethan Harry from Canada, Jonathan Pinkston, Andrew Larson, and Mark Ling from USA. And for that, we will appreciate your support so we can build the first international youngsmiths training center. Thank you.
If you'd like to buy a drift to help support the International Youngsmith Training Center, you can do so by emailing us at iys.trainingcenter@gmail.com. Or if you'd like to donate in any amount, you can do so in the description through a link. Check it out, and thank you for your support.
Lighten up. Lighter still. This part of the drift is not part of the drift ever.